Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the next part 2. And this is Haley.
Hi.
And going to next episodes of this Brookhaven.
No play.
Hey, answer this hard question.
You forgot Andrew.
Look at the room.
You forgot Anna. Answer this hard question. Answer this hard question. I swear this hard question. I swear. Now what's this one? The first one? This is a hard one. I swear this question. I was going to lunch. Then I just go to my computer.
Hey, look at. What? This way? What have I typed before?
Yeah. But stop letting me give you my guitar. Stop letting me.
Look at.
I was going to sing it.
Answer this. Answer this.
Haley. 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 Haley, look. Look at me. Look. Cut down this chair. No, I know.
Look. Look.
I'm bored. Marty, come down this chair. Because teacher is bad. Yeah.
Okay. Hey. What? You know.
I want chocolate.
Look at. Hey, Haley. Look on the board.
Not even chocolate. Just one bite for me.
Turnover na ng project bukas, pero wala ka pa sa kalahati. Just give me another, I will do it in 3 days. Pero I said 3 days. I don't want it. Ito na na eh.
Kuan na lang. Marty. Uli pa.
Kani.
Na, isa may makaon ini.
Did TJ lick it or no? No. Si Marty, wala pa din siya?
It's already. It's 100.
You lick it?
Here.
You gonna eat it? Let's go. See you Tuesday night.
Just the
Bye, cause it's just day. Bye, Haley.
TG boy, your hugs and kisses.
Bye-bye. Stop that. Go stop. Or else I'm gonna confiscate your phone. You know what confiscate means?
Where's
I
my
will
hug
get it
and
and you can have it
kisses?
back.
TJ.
DJ.
Dali ha. Dali na to. Ha?